In the month of October 2011, the Chief Minister, while holding his Janta Darshans, was rather flabbergasted. Why thousands of people have to come all the way asking for very, very small and petty things, which could have been done in every individual office at the district level, taluk level or village level. And he felt that what's wrong with our administration? Something needs to be done. And there came this Karnataka Guarantee of Services Act. In 2011, it was unanimously passed by the entire legislature. And in March 2012, we started a pilot and we took the help of the NIC, the National Informatics Center, an integrated portal where on the website we have all the information live. That is, anybody, anywhere, in any remotest corner to a city center asking for a service, the application is registered, the application is tracked, and it is also recorded as to when the service has actually been delivered. And this information portal and the monitoring portal is, I think, the backbone of the entire success, because for the first time in the state, we could have all the departments put into one platform, and it was real time. Anybody can see what's happening, where things are going wrong and where things are going well. When you talk of citizens, they also had some sort of a difference of opinion or a doubt, and when they started coming to the Sakala counters, things were so easy for them because we put the tips for using Sakala. They have now started getting the confidence that yes, technology works and it is so simple to work. And for those who are absolutely illiterate also, we made some help desk. They help them fill up the application, they tell them what are the documents, they also tell them, look, this is all that you have to pay and nothing more. So that information gap which used to be there between the citizen and the government at large, that is reducing. Things are becoming transparent, things are becoming open, and obviously the corruption levels have come down drastically. In a matter of 9 months, just that short period, 1.65 crore citizens have already taken 265 services from 30 different departments across the state. We have a success rate of 97.5%, and therefore I am sure what used to be earlier the case, we had no clue how many citizens are asking for a service, how many have got it, what is the time taken. Now we have all these details at the click of a mouse. Right to vote makes a citizen a king for a day on the day of elections, but right to services makes the citizen a king for 365 days. And that's been our central theme for bringing in this innovation in Karnataka.